I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an ERM bot step by step. First, let's understand what an ERM bot does. It helps manage enterprise risks efficiently. Before we dive in, make sure you have administrative privileges on your chosen platform. This is crucial for seamless integration. Next, identify the specific ERM bot application or integration that best suits your organizational needs. There are many options available, so choose wisely to ensure compatibility and functionality. Now, let's move on to configuring your bot. Access the bot's dedicated settings panel, usually found within your system's administrative dashboard. This is where you'll tailor its behavior. Next, integrate the bot with your essential data sources and existing APIs. This allows it to gather the necessary information for risk analysis. Finally, define clear user roles and permissions, ensuring only authorized personnel can interact with and manage the bot effectively. This step is vital for security. With the bot integrated, it's time to define what risks it should monitor. Establish your key risk indicators, or KRI, and set specific thresholds. For example, a threshold might be a 20% increase in a certain metric. Configure automated alert mechanisms so the bot notifies the right people when these thresholds are breached. Lastly, set up your preferred reporting frequencies, perhaps daily or weekly, and customize data visualization preferences to make insights clear and actionable for your team. Our final steps involve rigorous testing and deployment. Conduct thorough testing using a variety of simulated risk scenarios to ensure the bot performs as expected. This helps identify any potential issues before going live. Next, provide comprehensive training to your team on how to effectively interact with the bot and understand its alerts. Finally, deploy the ERM bot to begin actively monitoring and managing your enterprise risks. This proactive approach will significantly enhance your organization's resilience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.